Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Week video. My name's Aaron Uppel. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and I'm here to take you through today's Trade of the Week video. Now in today's Trade of the Week video we've got two fantastic trades which could have been traded just around your normal day jobs, simply placing orders in the market. It doesn't get any easier than that. It's just placing your orders in the morning or at the start of the week, and then coming back and observing the results. So firstly I'm going to show you the members area, and this is where our analysis is actually provided each and every day. Alongside our analysis, we're actually providing one-to-one mentoring as well to take you through the programs and to take you through the different types of topics that you need to utilize the skill to trade. So let's go through the members area firstly. Obviously, to start off with, we have our fundamental analysis of the day and to give you a good understanding of what's going on. We then have our daily chart analysis, which I'm going to come back to in just a moment because that's where our two longer term trades were. We then have our important trading zones of the day, as well as our methodology, our fundamental view, and our individual currency pair analysis. So it's a fantastic resource to have for any trader, and it means that all you simply have to do is place orders at the start of the week or at the beginning of the day and let those come to fruition. So the trades that actually triggered in the end, one was on the AUD USD. You can see here that we have support and demand at 66.75. See, based not only on this Fibonacci but also this swing low coming down here, we've identified this area and said, look guys, this would be a very good area to look to go long from. So we can see on the chart itself, if we go to the AUD USD, and we can see 66.75 puts us just in here at this buy zone. And one thing to point out is those technical charts I just showed you, they're given at the start of the week on the Monday. Okay, so you can see here this triggered on Tuesday, 66.75, and obviously the market's gone in excess now if you kept holding the trade around 150 pips or so. The actual target on this trade, going back to the chart, would have been your next resistance area, which would have been just around here, 6800 to 6820. So you would have been taking sort of a minimum of at least 120 pips out of the market there from that trade. So it was a fantastic trading entry. And just again, simply just by placing an order, that's all you have to do. Just order based trading. You know, you don't need to be sat at the chart. You can go and do your day job as you normally do every single day. You place your orders before you leave for work, you come back in the evening and see what's triggered in. Really that simple. The next one we had was the euro dollar. This was the support and demand area at 0.920. 0.920. So if we go to the euro dollar, we can see again, same again on Tuesday, same day. You can see the market comes down to about 0.925, so within a few pips of that area. Again, a major cap buy zone coming on through. And you can see in the end, obviously, it reversed around 150 pips or so. If we take the actual target, most likely would have been around the 1050 region, which is the resistance area, which we highlighted just in here. So that would have been around 120, 130 pips. So you're talking about 260 pips on two really simple trades. You know, you would just placed orders, you would have gone away, come back and observed that you would have been in a massive profit. And that's the way that trading should be. You know, it shouldn't be stressful. It should be something that just helps you build that supplementary income from week to week and month to month. If you would like some access to this type of analysis and one-to-one training, we're actually providing it for free on a demonstration call on our consultations. So go to our website, platinumtradingacademy.com. You fill in your details here, name, email, phone number, book your free consultation. Once you've done that, one of our traders will be in touch with you, and they'll sort of take you through things to ensure that it's going to be something that will work for you and around your lifestyle. We just want to say, look, thank you very much for watching the video today. We do appreciate it. Every week that you watch them. If you haven't watched any before this one, please, feel free, come to our website, platinumtradingacademy.com, click on trading videos, and you can go and view a few more too. But if you do have any questions, please email in or leave comments. Otherwise, I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.